Designing and building a custom home is easy when you have the right team behind you, and that team is Dan Sater with the Sater Group. Dan, tell us about this project and this home.
Started out with a model home that the builder or the clients had seen that the builder had built, Randall Mitchell. And so they loved the feel of that, but they wanted to create something uniquely their own. And that's always the problem when dealing with creating a custom house. It's like, what do I do? What will it look like? And there's always that fear and trepidation of such a big investment to put together a custom home design. But there's a lot of ways to overcome those fears. Like in this case, they saw the existing home that they liked and they liked certain parts of it. And then we were able to kind of custom tailor the layout, the features, the floor plan to meet not only their needs, but also this beautiful site that they're sitting the home on here on the beautiful beach here in Miramar.
Can you elaborate on why it's so important to have a good team behind you?
Great question. Again, there's so many parts to a home to make it look right, and also our end on the architectural design end, thinking about how the whole house comes together. But the interior designer also adds a huge responsibility of looking at how the clients want to use the spaces, the type of furnishings, how they're arranged. A great builder to put all that together for the customer. So if you're ready to start the design of your dream home, certainly call us at Sater Group at 239-495 2106. And again, go to our website, satergroup.com, and we've got a gallery there of many of our homes that we've already done over the years to look at for ideas. But certainly contact us, with any idea you have, because we certainly welcome the challenge to create your next custom dream home. Thank you.